In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a drip campaign in Mailchimp step by step and how you can get started with this powerful email marketing tool for free. By the end of this video, you'll have everything you need to automate your email marketing campaigns and grow your business, all within Mailchimp's easy-to-use platform. Now, before we jump in, I want to let you know that you can get access to Mailchimp for free through the link in the description below, along with some exclusive bonuses to help you get started even faster. So, let's dive into setting up a drip campaign in Mailchimp. The first thing you want to do is create an audience. If you already have one, great. If not, head to your Mailchimp dashboard, click on Audience, and then Create Audience. This will allow you to gather and organize your contacts so they're ready to receive your automated emails. Without an audience, your campaign won't work, so this is a crucial first step. Next, you'll create a new campaign. Go to the Campaigns section in your dashboard and click on Create Campaign. From the options, choose Email, and then Automated. Here, you'll see several different options for automation, but we're going to focus on Create an Email under the Welcome New Subscriber section. This is the easiest way to set up your drip campaign and start sending automated emails. The fourth thing is to set up your email flow. Once you've selected Create an Email, you'll be prompted to add your emails to the sequence. You can set up as many emails as you like, and you'll be able to control the timing of each one. Whether you want them to go out immediately after someone subscribes or after a specific time delay, Mailchimp gives you that flexibility. Make sure your emails provide value, build a relationship, and lead your subscribers toward your desired goal. Next, you'll choose your triggers. Triggers are the events that kick off your drip campaign. For example, you might want an email to go out immediately when someone subscribes or after a certain number of days. Mailchimp allows you to customize your triggers based on actions your subscribers take. This is key to making sure your campaign feels personal and timely. The sixth thing is to personalize your emails. When setting up each email in your campaign, make sure you personalize the content to make your subscribers feel special. Use Mailchimp's merge tags to automatically insert their names, company names, or other data you have on file. This small touch can increase engagement and conversion rates. Now, let's talk about testing and previewing your campaign. Once you've set everything up, always test your emails before sending them to your subscribers. Mailchimp has a built-in preview feature that lets you see exactly what your emails will look like before they go out. Take advantage of this feature to catch any errors and ensure your emails are looking their best. The final step is to activate your campaign. Once everything's set up and you've tested your emails, it's time to turn on your campaign and let Mailchimp do the work for you. Your emails will automatically send based on the triggers and timing you've set, and you can monitor the results directly from your Mailchimp dashboard. By now, you should have a good understanding of how to set up a drip campaign in Mailchimp and start automating your email marketing efforts. As a reminder, you can get started with Mailchimp for free and access our exclusive bonuses through the link below. Don't forget to check out the link for an extended free trial to Mailchimp that gives you all the tools you need to grow your business.